Why you never pull over when I stop for
You just say,
no,
you just, don't put that on my camera. You just say,
I think I pass you want pass, you know.
Pass, me think you want
You
pass.
can't pass on the street, so I say...
You just say, pull over the vehicle, I'm in here. You can't just,
No man, I put on, man.
Truck a drive. You just turn on the flasher.
Big man. You man have to feed that man.
I'm here represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them match. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. Media Fox RTV. I represent for the latest music and trending news. One Media Fox.
People who don't know Media Fox now come for talk Fox, now come for talk trash. You see me? Yeah man. Let's see what I go on. Jano. People, I have to look on this. You see it? Look on the post here. If you realize the government are trying to target $1 billion. You see me? Target for traffic ticket. Zine. Yo, Jano. I don't know where really going to Jamaica with this. You see right now I just feel like say some of them ticket is like, you know, you just chat the people them. You see it like enough police are right ticket because of some feelings and whatsoever. See? And I say, yo, where are you going to go in that place? Police stop you. See? Just ask documents every little thing. See? When they realize say, yo, your thing good enough. Somebody tell them find some weird excuses. You see, one ticket like the man get a ticket because I'm log tool. Some. I think the boat them with up on the wheel. So I say, who the hell the man see that? And the man a drive. You see it? I say, yo, Jano, where really I going? Because if you look on the video.
Say to me, say whatever. Me have the original gear stick and put on back in.
Sir, don't talk about when it come to you. I said to you that you should not do any modification to your gear stick. I said to you that the vehicle will be impounded and it will be examined tomorrow. Isn't that what I said to you? What else do you need me to explain
when I
to
said to you, say, we not have to waste time.
No, don't tell me you don't have to waste time.
We not have to waste time for a record and so. Me can't carry on a Spanish Town station or anywhere you want.
No,
we are going to waste record.
Police
Yeah, Chief. Yeah, Chief, go. Yeah.
I just see that video there a while ago, people, and the brother talk about the gear stick. See, the man want put him car on a wrecker because of one gear stick, modifying gear stick thing. So I say, yo, Jano, are this it really gone to? Eh? Are this really gone to? This not make no sense. Yo, you want to look at some people vehicle and you see some type of gear stick or whatsoever, brother. But you see another video, you know, we go on, realize look at the police at them feelings or whatsoever, because what them do not make no sense. You see it? It not make no sense. It's like, to me, you know what happen? Sometimes when them stop people and them realize them wrong, them try to use something else. You see it for try get people, but you see some of the things that's you have to really know the law, you know. You see me? If you don't know the law, you get knocked. You see it? Yeah man, you have to know the law in Jamaica, because police will just do something, but you don't know the corruption thing already. You see me? The corruption thing, you might have be good, you know. And you just meet up with a bad police to them and say, yo, Jano. Police start all one bag of thing and say, yo, you know what? Come out of your vehicle. Wait, like, them police, some of them police in Jamaica is like some feelings thing them work with. You see me? A really feelings thing. Like sometimes them stop you and them stop you when you ask them some stupid thing, man, them stop you for, you know. You see it? Some stupid thing, man, stop you for. You see me? And when them stop you and then realize, remember one at a time, you know. See? One at a time, because police just want to stop you. Sometimes, nothing now go and feed you and then not give you a ticket. Them just want to stop you and find something for just give you one ticket. So them not go back in the office and nah, nothing for write up already. See? I remember one time I drive. See? Pass the police, you know. See? And after I pass the police, when I go around the corner, you have this gas station and thing. See? And where me that come from is like the person who me I drive with. See? Them left them ID. But we pass the gas station, you know. See me? We pass the gas station. I show you now. the police them not pay attention, you know. See? Them see my vehicle go around the corner. But them not pay attention. See? I'm gonna go around, you know. The person who left them ID, you know, the person at the place call back and say your ID. So I say, alright. I go around, go turn and thing and come back. But I end up back at the gas station. So I say, shit, I go get some gas, you know. So I did it, I wait, I hold and get the gas. Me drive out of the gas station and just collect some gas. See? When me I drive past back now for go for the ID, police stop me. Man I say, yo. So I say, Officer Wagwan. I say, I'm not supposed to turn at the gas station now. So I say, you see me turn at the gas station? He must say, you see my pass and one bag of thing. So I say, officer, I still go around and come back and I stop at the gas station to get some gas. So I don't understand what you're talking about. But when he realized I'm wrong, I think the supervisor forward now. Zine. And I say, what happened, man? The supervisor know I'm wrong and thing, you know. So she just say, oh, just give me a document, sorry. I just give them because I say I can't bother with the back and forth with them. It don't make no sense and it's so hot. Because I could have say, yo, I'm just waste my time. Because when him stop me for, I'm not sure about it. You see it? So I just give them document, boom, boom, and just cut. See? Sometimes them police are like, them really not have nothing for real. They do the things what them supposed to do, them not do it. You see it? Them not do it. You see me? So the thing is that now, sometimes some police of Jamaica is like, yo, that's why you have to know what type of vehicle when you're driving, you know. Because you can't drive no AD wagon. See? You can't drive no Mark X. You can't drive no Axio. You can't drive no Range Rover. You have to watch that because they're going to stop you. I don't know why. You see it? We know say some of the time, you see me like, we know say by law them can stop you, but them can't just search you, so. You understand? Unless you allow them. See it? Yeah. Because it's a part of the constitution thing, so. Some of the time, yeah, although them can't stop you, have a right to stop you and thing, but, you know, make it be a good reason, like, when you just see people like about them and just stop them, like, why not just stop, like, you see a man a drive, you know, you understand, you just stop him. What you gonna do? Where you go? You stop him, what kind of reason? You stop him because my driver on Bima. Or what? Like, my driver on Mark X, you not stop him. Like, police of Jamaica just waste time and them just, the ticket thing. Like, the man them just get some weird, yo, some of the time the thing them when man them put on the ticket. You see, I want ticket, if it fence. I think, like, a man drop on, like, stop and must say, I buy a chicken, jerk chicken or something. Like, so I tell you, you have a laugh at that. I say, yo, the police are, you see me, car. If you watch a video, see it?
Why you never pull over when I stop?
You just say, you just speak out to the camera. You just say,
You think I pass, you want to pass, you know?
pass, me think you want
You can't pass on the street, so I say,
you just say, pull over the vehicle, I'm in here. You can't just,
no man, I put on, man.
Truck a drive. You just turn on the flasher.
Big man. You man have to feel that, man.
I no ear in them general.
Just turn the flasher, go around the vehicle, so you drive normal for the road. I say, what the purpose for stopping me?
Why you having a truck? I smell ganja.
Anybody no bun weed, the man smoke.
I may have bun weed, you know.
Man a bun weed. Man say him smell ganja. All got drive and smell ganja, I'm gonna smoke.
What time I smoke?
Smoke weed not light. See my weed, it never light. So see the people, it never light.
Yeah, we're not busy with that. Come pull the truck, right?
Come out,
I
too.
problem to pull the truck, chief. You can't pull me over here.
I want to say pull over people. The right thing I do is I say pull over the vehicle. Aha!
That's a green plate truck.
With that brother in a truck. Yeah, if you realize, it look like they must stop them. I don't know, but I guess him have on the siren and thing. But you know, when you're in a drive and you hear police siren, some of the time at Jamaican you think say, yo, you have to ease out of the way. Like, give them way when you hear the siren. See? Because when I like foreign police, some of the siren a day and whatever. So, the man them drive around. See? Man them drive around, you know. Drive around the youth. Stop front of the truck. See? So, the man say, yo, you know, see me stop you and rear you, man say, I don't understand. Worry that one. See? So, after that now, the brother say, yo, what do you make you stop me? Here, you can see say, if I'm but, you know, because I really have nothing, you know. And them feelings, you know, I smell weed. I said, cause you can see say the if I'm but like it annoy me, you know, when you realize say yo, I'm feelings in my work with now. Even just I think and try to find although the brother smoke, you know. But I never that at first. But you know, I smell weed. Yo, open up a chop boy. See, like the man them just brother, I tell you. And see the government I say about one, yo, me I tell you the people now for watch out there now. You see me cause when I get ticket left right. That $1 billion target there have it done by 2026. You see it? That $1 billion money. Yo, when you check it still, you know. Yo, government make money off of Jamaicans, you know, when it comes to traffic ticket, you know. Like, if, yo, how much traffic ticket the man them got court? And, yo, that's why Jamaica, you better have one dash cam. Come here, tell you. You better have one dash cam. You see it? Yeah, man, you better have one dash cam, man, cause you at least have one little evidence, cause if you got court, trust me, you'll lose. You see me, cause first of all, they must say, yo, you know what, just pay it. Cause Jamaican police, them not too turn up a court, you know. Yeah, man, them not turn up a traffic court, man. Yo, me I tell you the right thing. Yo, me I tell you, some of the time, me know all people pay all traffic ticket. See? Pay a traffic ticket, you know. And then when police stop a man and check the file, the man say, yo, your ticket not pay, you know. You see me? Your ticket not pay. Like you still have a traffic. And the man say, yo, man pay for my traffic ticket. The people them take the money, them now upload the system. They might bleed Jamaicans. Me I tell you. When I see government put up that $1 billion target, I say, yo, them people are demanded, you know. You see me? And when you look, I see one video like, man, the police ain't get some bike, how much a bike man them get, you know. See? How much a bike, so you know, say man them out. You see me? Yeah, man, ticket have to run, 10 grand ticket, this have to run. You see it? Yeah, man. 10 grand ticket. Cause, let me tell you. So my time Jamaican police, you see work with them if you really do them not do it, you know. I tell you. They not do it. You see it? They not do it. You think them with them if you do them not do it. Some of them just dip on the road. The only time they push out efforts in my time when they want, when they know say right. You know, say money done, you know. So I forgot hustle up. You see it? Yeah, man. I tell you. Right now you have all police out there in the road. We can make double time in pay when we get a month. In a dust little pocket money when it comes to traffic, somebody give me money or whatever. Yeah, man. I tell the police I make some money on the side them. I tell you. You see it? I make some crazy money on the side. You see it? But the ticket, you know, some funny thing when man them get ticket for. I tell you. Funny thing, like right now man them gone like people them car. Cause I can't believe say man put the man car pampa record or like a gear stick to right it. You see it? Yeah, man, you serious. One like a gear stick, brother. Yeah, man, one like a gear stick, man, them. You see it? Cause that don't even look good, brother. I don't understand. Jamaican police, like, I don't know. Them no, some of them don't really know the law. You see it? They don't really know the law. You see me? Cause if them did know the law some of the time, you would understand, oh, you know. Them man, just think about certain little thing. Them feelings. And them go through stress, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. Them go through stress and then carry it in their work. Then maybe them baby mother fall out. Or girlfriend or something. Man, them just carry on the street, brother. You see, man, them did some people some of the time, bro. I see all the man them did all them own co-worker, man, them did vicious. You see me? Yeah, man, them did them co-worker vicious, man. You see it? But, yo, the $1 billion the target thing. I know Jamaicans are going to find that, you know. Cause when the man them write the ticket, you can't say nothing. You see me? That I just put on in a system and thing. You see it? Yeah, man, that I just put on in a system. But when me a drive still, you know, police stop me a couple times, you know, but it's like, I don't know, maybe I hope me deal with them. Them not remember one time I fall out from country. So me a man banana and thing in the car back and, you see me? Them time me a rent car. You see it and stop me, but I never the real papers for the car, like a copy and thing and I say, yo, I say, officer, you know, say I told me I go back right now, you know. Yeah, man, and thing and just say, alright, just go on. You see me? I think he was a lady. You see it, but I don't know. Maybe she just read the energy and thing. Come and deal with that good and you see me? And she said, alright, go on, sir. Then one time, you remember one time, you know, me I fall from Mobile. Me I want to bridging and the police them stop, one police stop me. See? Well, I'm bridging a driver and him stop him. So the man say, yo, come here, come out of the vehicle. And the man come out. When the man come back in the vehicle, the man say police stop him and I say, yo, I beg him a $2 grand. I have to say, how is this? The man literally stop the man and beg the man $2 grand. See, because the man not do nothing. Yo, Jano, them police, brother, so my time, better man, like, We know say we not get that amount of pay there and the hours we not work and every little thing. But brother, don't make it look so bad, man. You see me? Don't make it look so bad. You see it? And enough of them police, some of them don't like camera. Like, man, them afraid of camera. You see me? Some of them were alright, and you see any police where you see, you have a camera upon, because they're afraid I dash cam them, you know. Yeah, man, I'm afraid I dash cam them. You see, because they can't destroy that in the worst in your vehicle. And like when you're outside, you have your phone, and they can grab it. See? But any police you see, can't stand up to a phone camera, them dangerous. You have to stay far from them police there. Them police there, high in feelings. You see me? Them have a criminal mentality. You see me? Evilous. You see it? Yeah, man. It's like them a look on a mirror. When them look on the camera, it's like the evil in them. See? Just start get mad. Yeah, man. Any police will turn camera up and them look at thing there. Brother, it don't even make no sense. Cause them man a thing, brother. Them police are not. Yo, me tell you, Jamaican police, some of them no business about law. You no matter where law say, the man them just do things. You see it? Yeah, man. You know business where law say. You see it? And a certain people in our society, when they stop them people, them have to know them attack. And that me I tell you. You see if you look certain way, them have to watch how them a step. You see it? Yeah, man. Watch how them a step. Cause you know some of my time, that's why I love when me I drive, me have on my shades, you know. Cause when you have on your shades, it's a different presence. They don't know who you be. Yo, I wonder if it's a top man this. You see me? I have to know. When police stop you, don't act like them. Cause the feelings, you know, them emotions, that's how them work. Them instinct. Cause them feel like say them are above the law. So them are try to use power. So you know what you do? Just act simple. See? Cool. Act like how if them stop a lawyer or a professional or something. How you da react. Cause if you act too wild and them look at things that'll make things worse. You see me? Worse, them not going to show no respect this. You see me? But when you're easy now, they must say, yo, I wonder if I'm overpaying this. You see me? So yeah, people, you have to watch out there. Because you see that $1 billion there, you have to fuck it out. You have to just know one to make sure some of the papers up on the registration, everything up and good. You see me? Pay off on the ticket and everything. Cause man, I get some 15 grand and some 10 grand ticket, you know. You think a boy if you get all 5 ticket for day and a 5 ticket at 10 grand? Brother, Jamaica one of the easiest place the police just put ticket by you can't do nothing about it. I tell you, man was write ticket and give you. And then when you check it, him not turn up a court. I tell you, if every Jamaican, if you have dash cam in them vehicle, it would be better. You see me? Yeah, man, it would be better, man. You see me? Although some of the time the taxi man, especially them drive a way more while. You see it? Yeah, man, them drive a way more while, man. But you don't know if taxi man have them police link on the road same way, you know. And them link will not read to trouble them and them look at something about people. Certain vehicle have to just stay far from here, man. You see me? Buy some vehicle where no come on. You see it? The police not to talk it. You see it? Yeah, man. And that's enough for the people. You see it? So, I just start going. You see me? Yeah, man, I just start going in my place. Police just, you know, some of them police I would just, you see me? Easy and things, you see me? And respect the law, but you don't know the system protect them, you know, so it's like even nothing. I say all police box one man alive in a town, just walk around and give him one box. I mean, I say, well, this I go and, yo, police did some people some way, you know. Nothing come out of that. And that system protect them. That's one of them things, but you have to just stay far from certain things, you see me? But people, you don't want to just remember for like, share, and subscribe, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. Remember, click the bell. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. And I don't know when a member stay safe out there. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. Big up everyone. Respect for the support. That is it.